Welcome to Cattleman's Young Lovers. Bask in the romance. We're down to 3 wings, so don't order the wings. Hey, thanks for taking down Mark's crossbow, Trent.
What? I didn't take it down, Hoss.
This is a robbery! Men, protect your dates!
Is this dinner and a show? Waiter, another scotch. You want one?
You all should be feeling a fight or flight response, triggering hormones that induce love.
Mom?
Mrs. Wong?
How about that? Cattleman's Theater, everybody. And now, feast your ears on the vocal stylings of our very own Trent.
Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen.
Keep going.
And down the mountainside.
I rest off the block.